So we established Kardome through years of research that we did in signal processing and speech AI. We've been fascinating with the advances of speech recognition engines since a deep neural network was introduced for that matter. But at the same time, we've been frustrated with how small is the contribution of those models when a real environment and situations are considered, meaning noisy and potentially with several people speaking together. That was the point in time where we decided to establish Kardome in order to revolutionize voice user interface segment and to enable a reliable and seamless voice interactions in all environments. We have some great manufacturers and VCs that support our goals and values. And of course, we are here with the H1 first concept, where we demonstrate a location-based voice control. Our spatial hearing technology is based on our 3D listening spot forming technology that allows us to listen to the three-dimensional space, understand where each of the sound sources are located, and to address three basic WH questions in every point in time. Where are the speakers? Who is speaking? And what they are saying. Our belief in Kardome is that AI is taking over major aspects of our life. It's no question. And the most intuitive and the most easy way to interact with those AI-based machines is voice. What we want to do in Kardome is to enable a reliable and seamless interactions in all environments. And for that, you have to consider complex situations like that, noisy, with several people speaking at once. You have to consider or you have to deliver an intelligible and authentic sound. And last but not least, you have to allow a secure and an authorized access. Eventually, apparently, to build a machine with human-level listening capabilities is not an easy task. And the major technological part that is falling short today is spatial hearing. We, humans, any one of you, even with your eyes closed, can visualize the environment around you. This is done by your auditory system, meaning you will know whether it is noisy or quiet. You will know where each of the sound sources are located. And from that point on, you are able to take decisions. You are able to say, well, I want to focus on the sound or on the speech that is of interest to me. I want to neglect the other ones. Machines are not capable in doing it. The entire three-dimensional space kind of collapsing to them for a single point. They hear all the sounds and speeches in the environment as if they all originated in a single spot. And therefore, they cannot distinguish between the different sounds. But this picture may be a little bit misleading because it looks like I draw here a robot with a single ear, with a single microphone. But we all know that the devices of today, they have multiple microphones. The problem is not with the number of sensors, but rather with how the information of the sensors is being used. And the underlying technology today that is most common and responsible for resolving the acoustical scene, for resolving the soundscape, is called beamforming. Beamforming characterizes each sound by a single parameter, its direction, the direction of arrival. But in a closed environment, as a car, as a room, or any closed environment, the sound is not traveling just through the line of sight. It hits all the reflective panels, the windows, the dashboard, everything, which bouncing the sound back towards the device. So effectively, every source is perceived from hundreds of different directions. Now it is clear that a direction-based technology cannot resolve sound space in an environment where every single sound impinging from every possible directions. What we developed is a technology called spot forming that can do it. In fact, we are already doing it for our customers, as in this car. Spot forming is a sound clustering algorithm that is empowering AI in order to distinguish between sound sources or speech sources that were originated in a different location in space. Let me show you how Kardome works. It's a quick video of 4 guys sitting in a car and speaking from different positions. And our software will resolve for each of them, actually, in every point in time, the 3 WH questions. Who is speaking, where he is located, and what he is saying.
Hello car, please open my window.
Hello car, please close my window.
Hello car, volume down.
Hello car, volume up.
There was a group of 4 people. Some of them are familiar to the car, meaning enrolled. The other ones are unknown, so they were marked as guests. And actually, all of them are able to interface with the car seamlessly. Thank you.